Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I wanted to show you guys one of the most convenient side dishes that I have found yet. It's this Ben's Original Jasmine Ready Rice, and these things have come in handy for me so many times. They are super convenient. All you have to do is squeeze up the pouch to separate the rice pieces, and then put it in the microwave for a minute and a half, and you've got your complete side dish of rice. And it tastes exactly like you just cooked it on the stove top, but you didn't. So I love how convenient this is, and I love how great it tastes. This particular jasmine rice one, I like to mix with this honey chicken that I make, and it comes out, or this bourbon chicken that I make, and it comes out really well. So I would highly recommend these if you're in a time crunch, if you have a lot of things on your schedule, or if you just don't have the time. These are a really good option for you to try. And that's my point of view.